94.2.
Don't worry about
Is
it.
that your
Keep
button?
calm.
Are you sure that's the right button?
Keep calm. Dommy's here.
Dom, you don't know how to run the desk.
Hang on. No, hold on. Hang on. Producer Fabsy, what are you doing?
You don't know how to run the
You
desk.
came out of your mum's womb about 8 days ago.
Dom,
Get out of here.
You don't know what you're doing.
Relax me. Randell can do it. How hard can it be? Fabsy, what are you doing?
I was just the song was playing.
Fipsy, just let him squirm.
Do you want to?
I had it covered.
Let him do it.
Listen, here's the mouse.
Let him do it.
you
No,
press-
don't tell him what to do. Sorry. Oh my god.
Hang on.
I need my coffee. Cool. That doesn't help anybody. No, again, not the right
That's the
thing.
wrong one.
Okay,
No,
that's a bed.
How hard can it be?
Okay.
What are you actually trying to do other than just press buttons?
How hard can it be?
But eventually he's
Hang on.
You're just pressing buttons.
Eventually, I'm going to get the right one.
But
Relax.
what button do you want to press? That's not.
No, that's not this.
No, but what one are you trying to do? Because I can't even figure out what you even.
Never have I ever had a cone. Never
Oh.
have I ever.
Okay, no.
Who's
not
that?
How hard can it be?
Where are you? How far back
All
are
right.
you going?
Oh, no, I got it.
How hard can it be?
It's 9:10.
Yeah.
Here's 21 Pilots on The Dom Show.
No.
Your mic's still on.
Wait,
Don't know how to turn them off.
it's the other button.
This
That one.
This one.
No, not the other one.
How hard can it be?
This one? This one?
No, the other. You had it before.
That one, the
So you
blue
turned it
one.
off before.
Okay.
Yeah, turn it off.
Randall can do it. How hard can it be?